Hi there, I'm Tim, and welcome to the Chlorophyll Chronicles, where houseplant care meets real life. I started this channel because, like a lot of you, I'm obsessed with houseplants. I love the calm they bring, the little daily rituals, and yes, even the mess ups. Truth is, I'm not a plant expert. I make mistakes, I lose a few leaves, and let's be honest, a few entire plants. But I'm learning, I'm growing, and I want to take you along for the ride. This channel is for people who love houseplants, want to get better at caring for them, or just enjoy watching someone else try to figure it out. We'll talk soil mixes, lighting struggles, favorite tools, bargain finds, and I'll share both the wins and the fails. If you've ever overwatered a plant or named one and talked to it, you're in the right place. I'll be posting a few times a week with great tips, plant care routines, DIY projects, and maybe the occasional oops moments too. If that sounds like your vibe, hit the subscribe button and let's grow together. Thanks for stopping by the Chlorophyll Chronicles. Let's make some green magic together.